8-Minute English.
From Oat English. Open and talk.
Hey, welcome back to 8-Minute English. I'm Mia, and today we're talking about something we all struggle with. Why do we forget English words, even after learning them many times? First, don't worry. It's not just you. This happens to every English learner. So today I'll show you why it happens and how to finally fix it. And yes, you'll find the full script and free PDF in the description. Do you remember learning a new word, then forgetting it the next day? Or seeing the same word again and thinking, I've seen this before, but what does it mean? Yup, we've all been there. One reason is simple. You don't see the word enough. If you read a word one time, your brain says, cool, maybe I'll save it, maybe not. But if you see it 5 times, your brain goes, okay, this word matters, let's remember it. Another reason, you never use it. Learning words is not just about looking at them. It's about saying them, writing them, using them. If you just read a word, it stays in the shallow part of your brain. If you use it, it moves deeper and stays longer. Also, stress makes it harder. When we're nervous, we freeze. Even words we know disappear. That's why you forget simple words during tests or conversations. It's not memory, it's panic. One of my students, Lena, learned the word comfortable 10 times. But every time she spoke, she forgot it. You know what helped her? Using it in silly sentences. My bed is more comfortable than my boss's chair. My cat sleeps in the most comfortable position ever. Now she never forgets it. So, how can you remember more? Tip number 1, review a little every day. Don't learn 30 words once. Learn 3 to 4 words and review them 3 days in a row. That's how memory works. Repetition. Tip 2, connect new words to your life. Don't just write hungry when you want food. Write, I feel hungry every day at 5 p.m. Make it yours. Make it real. If it's personal, would say your brain keeps it. Tip 3, make it fun. Use colors, draw pictures. Say words in a funny voice. Speak to your mirror. Even say a word while doing something, like brushing your teeth. The sillier, the better. That's how memory sticks. And one more. Say the words out loud. Reading in your head is good, but speaking makes the word real. Use your voice, even if no one hears it. Whisper it. Sing it. Say it with a smile. You know what's funny? There was a small study at a university in Canada. They took 3 students, each learning the same 10 English words. Student 1, just read the words from a list. Student 2, wrote them down in a notebook, over and over again. And student 3 said each word out loud and made one funny sentence with it. Guess what? After 1 week, student 3 remembered the most. Why? Because she connected the word to emotion, to sound, to life. She didn't just memorize the word, she used it. And that's the secret. The more senses you use, the more the word stays. The more ways you touch a word, the deeper it goes into your memory. And here's something important. Don't wait for the perfect moment to learn. Use the small moments. Waiting for the bus? Review 3 words. Cooking? Say 1 sentence in English. Walking? Repeat yesterday's vocabulary in your head or out loud. Tiny moments add up, and your brain loves repetition. It's like watering a plant, small drops every day, and then one day it blooms. But sometimes, even with good habits, we still forget words. And that's because many learners make small mistakes without even knowing it. Let me show you the most common ones. First, learning too many words at once. 20 new words in a day sounds great, but your brain only remembers a few. It's better to learn 5 and really know them than 20 and forget them tomorrow. Second, not reviewing. You learn a word, you feel happy, and then you move on. But your memory needs reminders. No review, no memory. So check those words again the next day and a few days later. Third, learning words without context. If you just write hungry, wanting food, your brain says, okay, but so what? But if you write, I feel hungry when I smell pizza, now it's real. Now your brain says, ah, I know this feeling. So if you forget words, it doesn't mean you're bad at English. It just means you need better memory tricks. And now you have them. If this helped, like the video, subscribe, and grab your free worksheet with today's script and practice. And now, Rick is here with some of today's keywords. He'll explain them with simple examples. Let's go.
Hey, I'm Rick, and I'm here to help you remember today's words. Let's keep it simple, friendly, and fun. Ready? Disappear. When something is here, and then it's gone. Example, my English words disappear when I'm nervous. Like, where did they go? Conversation, when 2 or more people talk to each other. Example, I had a short conversation with a tourist in English. Just talking, no grammar stress. In a row, something happens again and again, one after the other. Example, I studied English 3 days in a row. It means no breaks. Repetition, when you do or hear something again and again to remember it. Example, repetition helps my brain remember new words. Say out loud, use your voice, not just think in your head. Example, I say new words out loud when I cook breakfast. Whisper, to speak very, very quietly, like a secret. Example, I whispered the answers during the test. Just kidding. Reminder, something that helps you not forget. Example, I put a sticky note on my mirror, a reminder to review English today. Tricks, simple, smart ways to do something. Example, I use fun tricks to remember vocabulary, like silly pictures or songs. And that's it. Try to use these words in your own way, in a conversation, out loud, or even in a whisper. And remember, you can download the free PDF below with all the words and some fun exercises. See you in the next lesson. Keep going. You're doing amazing.
8-Minute English.
From Oat English. Open and talk.